Good evening. I would like to thank the festival for continuing their mission to exhibit such a great lineup of films in spite of the problems we all face worldwide with gathering in one place. It is a great honor for me and for our team to be in such a company. All the films are incredible stories that teach us a lot about the world we're living in and help us raise the right questions. Furthermore, I would like to thank the jury for awarding our film Kolektiv the Human Rights Award. I think that what I and my team, what we have learned in this process of making the film is that it always comes to normal people to protect our human rights. It seems that our states are hijacked by people that don't care anymore about human rights. And we hope that it will inspire a lot more people to step forward and tell the truth, trust the free press, and only together we can, I think, get rid of this worldwide pandemic of populists and imposters that took over our countries. And we have to start to trust again professionals and the science. Thank you very much and have a good evening.